Let's change a moped tire.
I like to use this metal valve cover that comes with some moped tubes. I remove the valve so all the air can be pushed out of the tube. Then I fold and roll the tube until all or most of the air is out of the tube. With it rolled up, install the valve again. This should keep the tube as flat as possible, making it easier to insert the tube and from pinching the tube. Next, insert the valve stem and put the valve screw on a few threads. This allows for the tube to move but not have the valve sink into the tire during installation. Dish soap helps as a lubricant for the tire to slide onto the rim. Apply some around the rim. Then we have to get half of the tire mounted onto the rim. Pass the tire over the tube and start pressing half of the tire onto the rim. You want to make sure the tube is inside the tire and that it is not being pinched. Use a tire spoon to help get the tire seated over the rim. Next, start inserting the tube inside the tire. Make sure the tube is laying flat along the tire and not twisting. It's best for the tube to sit inside the tire and not on the rim. Apply some more dish soap to the tire for lubrication. Then, starting from the valve stem, begin to press the tire onto the rim. Press as far as you can by hand. Once reached as far as possible, pressing in by hand. Use a tire spoon at one end to keep the tire from backing off the rim. With the other tire spoon in my hand, I work the rest of the tire onto the rim. Careful not to insert the spoon too far and damage the tube. Tighten the valve nut and fill with air. The amount of air needed should be printed on the tires somewhere. Most seem to require 35 pounds of tire pressure. If the tire hasn't seated, I like to let the air out. Then add more dish soap and overinflate the tire by 5 pounds. This extra air pressure with the lubrication from the soap helps sometimes. After that, I air down to the correct tire pressure. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more moped content.